If there is a resource website that you want your students to have quicker access to, you can customize your course's navigation bar to add the web page as a link. Here's how. In your course, click Settings. Click the Apps tab, and in the search bar on the right-hand side, type in Redirect. Select the blue arrow titled Redirect Tool and click Add App from that page. The first step is to rename your redirect tool. This is a title that will appear in the course navigation on the left-hand side, so try to keep the title short. Then, place the desired URL in the URL redirect box. Check that you only have one instance of HTTPS, and if it's doubled up, erase the first one. Finally, check the checkbox Show in Course Navigation and click Add App. On the top, it will confirm that the app was added successfully. The tool will not usually appear immediately, so click Refresh on the page to see your new tool added to the navigation. It will appear at the bottom. If you want to place the newly added tool in a specific order of appearance on the navigation list, go to the Navigation tab. Click and drag the navigation item to the desired location. And importantly, click Save at the bottom. Now my tool is in the fourth spot of the list. And when students click, they will be redirected to an external website.